Hello and welcome to the episode 2 of Java Code Deep Dive. In the last episode, I showed how ArrayList is designed, and in this episode, I will show how Iterator is used in conjunction with ArrayList object. I will reuse example from the previous episode. There's already a list of 11 integers, and let's create a for loop and print existing elements of this list. When loop starts, Iterator method is called on the list object. List creates itr object, which is of private non-static class. Then Java virtual machine is calling hasNext, which checks if cursor index has reached the amount of elements stored in the list. Since it hasn't, next element is returned from the list. Check for commodification compares list modification counter with the one stored during iterator creation. If array is modified after iterator was created, exception is thrown. There's also sanity check against list size. If check passes, cursor is increased to point to the next element, and element that cursor was previously pointing to is returned. This is repeated for other elements until hasNext returns false. Iterator can be created manually by the list object. We can use same iterator method, and once having iterator object, we can call remove method, which returns the last object that has been returned from next method. Remove function delegates removal to ArrayList object with last return index. Once object is removed, cursor is reverted to last returned object, while last return index is reset. Modification count is also aligned with the parent list object. In this episode, I showed you how Iterator is used with ArrayList, and in the next episode I will show how hashmap is designed in Java. If you like this video, make sure to press like button and subscribe. I hope my content will help you creating something great. Thanks for watching.